Hello everyone. Uh, so I'm doing this video after a long time, and I have been thinking about doing this for last couple of days. Today I got some time. There's been a lot of things going in AI space. You must have heard, right? New models getting released. Quen released their latest model, which is Quen 3 Coder, I think. Quen 3 Coder next. Today, Opus 4.6 got released. I think everyone was expecting Sonnet 5, but looks like Opus 4.6 is coming before than that. And also heard that GPT 5.3 is also there now, and it's been a really exciting time. These models are really good. Couple of weeks back, Kimi K 2.5 got released. Again, a very good model, better than Sonnet 4.5, so and quite cheap. So it's a great model to try out. It's currently available in some of the coding assistants like OpenCode and others like KiloCode. All right, you can try that. But today I actually wanted to show you something else. So Ollama started supporting some image models. That's a change, and it's a big change. Earlier, if you use Ollama, you would have expected Ollama to give you some kind of text response, but now you can actually use Ollama for image generation. So let me quickly show you what I have. So I have this model of Ollama, which is Flux2-Kelvin, and this is a small model, just 5.7 GB, and it's a great model for image generation locally using Ollama. You don't need any config UI setup or anything. Light model, but really great model for image generation, and you can use it for generating images. And once you have the images, then you can go ahead and maybe you can create some videos using those images also. Let me quickly show you, how it works. So I'll run this model in Ollama. It will load now. See, it quickly loaded, and I have some prompts here. I will just run these. So you just need to type the prompt here. Nothing much. You can make changes if you want. So the prompt here is like simple mobile banking app interface, showing account balance this with transaction history, minimal iOS design, light mode, ensure all text is readable and all. So let's run this and see how much time it takes to generate an image and what kind of image it creates. So while it is creating that, let me grab another prompt. So I actually basically just saved some of the prompts which I earlier tried, and I think they are really good one-liners, but they create good images. So you can try something of your own also. So if you see, my GPUs are burning right now. It's heating up, and so it took almost I would say 30 seconds or so to generate this image. So it saved this image in the folder where I'm running, and this is what it created, right? So if you see, it's decent, right? It's a mobile app. There are some issues like some text is not correct here. Obviously it's not always right with text, but if you can specify the text in the prompt, like I mentioned the amount here, and it followed that, right? So I mentioned this amount 0.32, so it followed the same amount and use that as it is. So if you can mention the text also, I hope that that's going to work for text also, other text. Let's run the second image, and while it is doing that, let me grab the next one. This is a really good one, the third one. It's like I'm asking it to generate a Coke red can, but with a different label, and so it can be used for kind of ad creation, right? Even this one is good, which currently is running. This says matte black coffee tumbler on wooden disc, with the text sip me. Let's see how it works. I did not try this one. Hopefully it should come up nicely. Okay, so still taking time. Okay, done with 100%. Before I show you that, let me run the third one so that it can go on. So this is the second prompt. Yeah, it looks good to me. The tumbler looks nice. There's a stream which is also quite good. Sip me, and then the lips. Yeah, this is actually follows the instructions, right? Whatever I told it, on a wooden table with morning sunlight. All looks good. Yeah, but I think yeah, the shadow is in two directions, this one, and there's some line here. I don't know what is that line, but yeah, overall I think it looks good to me. Let's see the next one. Okay. Yeah, I'll not run all of those. Maybe I should pick the other one. So I'm going to run this, and for the third one, which is the Coke, yeah, so it created this, so it really looks nice. I mean, in place of Coke, I asked it to print this Hydra serum, which is correct, right? Look at the text, rendered it very nicely. The water droplets looks nice. The reflection of light, everything looked nice, I think. And there's a blurriness in the background, kind of a professional photograph looks like to me. So yeah, it's a good one, I think. And let me also show the last one. Okay, it's done with this running shoes. So running shoes is this one. Wow, this is also a good one. Yeah, I think we can modify it further by specifying some brand name. Yeah, there's some issue here, the laces, I don't know from where this lace is coming, but yeah, overall I think the shoe looks good, floating with a nice background, and the background is the same which is mentioned here, these colors. So it's following that, it's mix of these colors. Looks nice to me. But yeah, if you go in details, there's this extra lace, I don't know from where it is coming, but I think yeah, if we prompt it more accurately, it will come up nicely. But it's impressive to see, it's a small model running on local using Ollama. You can create any kind of image in just a fraction of seconds now. So the last one is this one. Okay, so I asked it that it should be a tiny dentist office, interior, warm colors, detailed miniature world style. So this is what it created as a dentist office, which does not look like a dentist office to me. I don't see any dentist chair here, but yeah, it looks good overall as an office to me, but not a dentist office. Yeah, other things I think look nice. There's a reflection in the mirror, window, lightning, chair looks fine. Yeah, I think overall decent work, I think. Yeah, so if you want to try this, it's a Flux2-Kelvin model running in Ollama. You can easily generate any kind of images with it, and you can also specify the aspect ratio. I did not specify anyone, so all these are kind of square, but you can specify the aspect ratio. That's another great thing. Yep, that is what I wanted to show you today. I hope you will like it, you try out, and if you create some nice images, share that. It will be great to see that. Thank you. Have a great day.